Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, before you continue to watch this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button by subscribing to my channel. So I want to show you how to show hidden files in Windows 10. There are some files in Windows 10 which are actually hidden because these files are very important. If you delete them by mistake, your Windows may stop functioning properly. So let's say, for example, here you can see we have some files. I'm now in the in my C drive, and here I have some files. I think about just 6 folders here. So to show some other hidden files, if I go to my users and I go to let me just okay, let me go to Nora Johnson because I'm signing here. You can see I have some files as well which are also hidden. So if I click here on the view, and here we see we have the option hidden items. So I can decide to actually click on the hidden items. And here you can see that we have some files which are now being displayed. If, for example, you can see the app data, we have the NT users.dat. So these are all hidden files, which of course will not be displayed. Let me just hide those files again. Here you can see the files are now hidden. So if I click the view and here under show hide, I'm going to click the hidden, click the hidden items, which of course will be displayed. But I can also click the view, and here we can see we have this little arrow which will allow me to actually pin my view to be actually visible. You can see here I have my view is now visible. I can decide to actually hide it by just clicking on the minimize the ribbon, and here you can see the ribbon has been minimized, and here we can also maximize the ribbon. So, but if I go to options here and show folders and search options, and here as well we have the option, we have the view options. So right now I'm saying you can see under the view options we have the hidden files and folders. So here I'm saying show hidden files, folders and drives. So if I click don't show hidden files, folders and drive, and I click apply, you can see as well that the files are being hidden and these hidden items has been unchecked. So I can decide to just change folders, click the change folders, and then on a view, here we can decide to click on show hidden files, folders and drives, and click apply and OK. So if you are using like Windows 7 or 8 or Windows 7 for example, and you don't have these options here, which is the view, which is this option like in Windows 10, you can just go to your options here on the options and on a view, and you can click the show hidden files and folders, and all the hidden files and folders will be displayed. So my name is Kelvin Johnson. Please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video for taking my time to create this video. You can as well send me an email. I'm going to leave my email below in this video. You can send me an email or check my profile on LinkedIn. Thank you very much and see you next time.